Some tech masters see the decentralized money time as a gift to the biological system because of the progress of technology. Others see it as a problem because it makes it harder to keep track of safe item contributions. But the arrival of blockchain put an end to all doubts and worries about what goes on behind the money range. It's not a big surprise that this is the result of years of planning, science, and innovation. Before we talk about XDC price expectations, let's take a look at the outline of the coin. It looks like this. Cryptographic forms of money arrive on the computerized guide on a set date, and then the start of the Xinfin convention is shown. The Xinfin group is better known as a mix of blockchains that contribute to the growth of exchange in money areas around the world and bring the best possible situation together. Both public and private blockchains are putting themselves in front of common and cumbersome repeats at Xinfin organization. The whole framework is handled through an available proficient and profoundly flexible decentralized foundation arrangement settled in Singapore with a helpful administrative climate. Fin organization is the brainchild of three Jennies, this Karen Barrett Wedge Adult Kikade and Reddish Kakad, in the year 2017 blockchain environment evangelist in India who originally got the grant to utilize blockchain framework for a consortium of Indian banks, and Karen Bardwatch, organizer behind consultancy linked apps, and furthermore created records for worldwide Goliaths like IBM Constancy and so on. Xinfin organization has made considerable progress intending to in conquering the worldwide exchanging and monetary space obstruction, bringing purchasers, providers, lenders, workers, guilds, and government bodies like banks together on a shared stage, despite the fact that it is like putting resources into Ethereum or Bitcoin. In the early stated merits putting resources into Xinfin as extraordinary crypto with long haul possible. Even though it hasn't gotten a lot of market respect, the Xinfin organization is at the top of the list of arrangement providers. This is because it has a strong tech team and top-notch testing units that work together to build a strong organization that is completely decentralized. This gives both buyers and sellers a sense of responsibility, which is the same as an OK contribution. XDC is the local badge of the Xinfin group. In August 2017, it was used to pay exchange fees and do savvy contract work. Xinfin was able to raise more than $1.5 million through the private sale of utility tokens, and many idea checks have been done on the Xinfin organization with the money earned. Drive is that the money from the deal is used to expand the POX into pilot projects with endeavors and organ groups around the world, based on what the RXDC thinks it will cost. The norm is a value solution with a 5-year forecast. The price is expected to be 82 cents and the income is expected to be around plus 517.16%. According to our technical research, the Xinfin organization digital money price could cross its critical barrier level at around 5 cents by the end of 2023. Many Xinfin project validator hubs are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and many projects will be finished by the end of the year. Grant but smart financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will work and make all the difference for big crypto trade. The current price of XDC is about 2 cents, but it has a market value of $373,845,653 and a 24-hour trading volume of $2,533,227. There are currently 13,815,697,448 XDC ready for use. 2023 The Xinfin company has set up a quick, solid organization that works with the customer experience of the products. These features can help the XDC get a much higher price of 6 cents as the company grows and improves its products. A lot of people's Xinfin organization expected value 2024 mini crypto predictions are being made for the Xinfin XDC token. Based on its price force and verifiable information, it is thought that the price of a coin in the future might go over 7 cents. Mark the blessing has been completed by strong security and flexibility features. Even though the digital currency markets are certainly unpredictable, it might take a miracle for Xinfin organization XDC to raise its price by that much in such a short amount of time, which brings us back to the original estimate of around 7 cents. Xinfin organization Value Goal 2025's Phoenix DC is also involved in neighborhood projects because they keep the force going. Getting a big market cap and focusing on training and new developments might look like a bullish sign and make a lot of sense at the same time. Xinfin organization expected value in 2026. Xinfin organization supported a little bit of up energy in between drops that started at the beginning of this year. As we look at the current energy and future predictions of XDC prices, if all markets go well, this computerized resource of Xinfin convention is set to break all barriers of significant value and competition level and 12 cents constantly by 2026. 2027 Xinfin local token group XDC sounds very positive because it has been consistent. By 2027, the price of XDC should easily be able to move around 14 cents, making it a good investment in the cryptocurrency market. Xinfin organization value estimate 2028's and Fin organization cost holds both the temporary convention and likely long-term benefits based on our XDC expectations. The price of a coin could reach a high of 17 cents and a low of 12 cents by the end of 2028. The Xinfin company's value prediction for 2029 is that the price of a Xinfin XDC token will stop falling around 21 cents, in line with the prices of other digital currencies. A lot of people have high hopes for Xinfin organization XDC coin because of how steady it has been over the long-term. Xinfin organization value estimate 2030. This is because there aren't any big surprises in store for the digital currency market. Xinfin organization XDC is ready to insist on its strong points as a major interest among its backers in the area. The road ahead is full of pedals, which gave the backers confidence that the blasting will continue. This gave a big push to the future cost, allowing it to overcome all obstacles and reach 24 cents. Mark is a very smart man. Based on the latest news, market information, and trade outline, it seems like it would be a good idea to invest in Xinfin organization's local coin XDC as long as possible. It is suggested that investors break down all patterns on the crypto outline and use the price forecasts information to make good decisions when trading with Xinfin organization. Investors are taught to carefully look at the resources, value estimate, and then put time and effort into understanding predictions and keeping up with business news. Where could I buy Fin organization? All reputable exchanges offer XDC, and you can often get a better deal by trading XDC directly for government-issued currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, etc., or other digital currencies on many exchanges. Bitcoin traded at its lowest level since the middle of March on Friday, as markets continued to be volatile because of low liquidity. According to Coin Metrics, Bitcoin finished the day down 2.58% at $26,180.